Welcome back to Digital Cars Info, your ultimate destination for the most accurate and officially confirmed automotive news. Today, we bring you all the latest details about the much-anticipated 2025 Mercedes Motorhome Camper van. According to the latest updates confirmed directly by Mercedes-Benz, this new model is not just a simple refresh. It's a comprehensive upgrade in terms of design, comfort, technology, and performance over its previous version. If you're someone who values luxury travel combined with top-tier engineering, the 2025 Mercedes camper van is set to redefine your expectations. According to the latest news from Mercedes-Benz, the 2025 Motorhome Camper van is based on the new generation Mercedes Sprinter platform, but it goes far beyond being just a conversion van. The exterior design has been enhanced with a more aerodynamic front fascia, newly designed LED headlamps, and a wider grille that showcases a bold three-pointed star emblem. These refinements not only improve visual appeal but also aid in reducing wind resistance, contributing to better fuel efficiency during long journeys. The van sits on newly designed alloy wheels that are optimized for long-distance touring, offering a perfect blend of stability and ride comfort. Inside, Mercedes-Benz has officially confirmed a completely redesigned cabin that brings the concept of luxury travel to an entirely new level. The 2025 model features upgraded high-quality materials, including Nappa leather seats, ambient LED lighting, and real wood trim accents. The motorhome layout includes a fully functional kitchenette with an induction cooktop, a spacious refrigerator, and an integrated microwave oven. There's also a dedicated sleeping area with a memory foam mattress, and the modular interior allows flexible arrangements for dining, lounging, or working on the go. According to Mercedes, the new HVAC system is more efficient and quieter, making the cabin comfortable in every season. In terms of technology, the 2025 camper van is packed with the latest advancements. The infotainment system has been upgraded to include a larger MBUX touchscreen with enhanced voice control and real-time connectivity options. It supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto seamlessly and features an advanced navigation system optimized for camper travel, showing routes that are friendly to the vehicle's size and weight. Mercedes has also introduced a new digital instrument cluster that provides important information like tire pressure, vehicle tilt angles, and onboard battery levels for the auxiliary systems. Performance has seen a major leap forward compared to the previous model. Under the hood, the 2025 Mercedes Motorhome Camper van is equipped with an upgraded 2.0-liter four-cylinder turbo diesel engine, which now delivers 211 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque. This marks a significant improvement in both power and torque figures over the previous model, ensuring smoother acceleration and more confident overtaking, even when fully loaded. The engine is paired with a refined 9-speed automatic transmission that offers more seamless gear shifts and improved fuel efficiency. According to Mercedes, the latest powertrain is also engineered to meet stricter Euro 6e emission standards, making it both more powerful and environmentally responsible. The camper van also benefits from a revised suspension setup, offering better ride quality and enhanced stability. Mercedes-Benz has equipped the 2025 model with its latest adaptive damping system, which adjusts the shock absorber settings based on road conditions and load weight. This results in a smoother ride on highways and more control on winding roads or uneven terrains. Additionally, the van features the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system as an available option, giving it the ability to tackle off-road adventures and rough campsites with ease. Safety remains a high priority for Mercedes-Benz, and the 2025 camper van includes a full suite of driver assistance features. Officially confirmed features include active brake assist, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. For added convenience, the van also comes with a self-leveling hydraulic system that ensures the vehicle remains perfectly horizontal when parked at uneven campsites, a feature especially useful for overnight stays. In terms of utility, the rear section now includes a fully automated rear tailgate with hands-free access and expanded storage compartments for outdoor gear, bicycles, and travel essentials. Solar panels are mounted on the roof to power interior electronics and recharge the auxiliary batteries, supporting longer off-grid stays. According to Mercedes, the onboard battery system now has higher storage capacity and faster charging times, giving users more flexibility while traveling. With all these officially confirmed updates, the 2025 Mercedes Motorhome Camper van stands as a significant evolution from its predecessor. From upgraded engine performance and smarter technology integration to enhanced comfort and practical camper features, Mercedes-Benz has clearly prioritized both luxury and utility in this latest model. Whether you're planning a cross-country road trip or an off-grid adventure, This camper van is designed to deliver the highest standard of travel experience. That wraps up today's detailed update on the 2025 Mercedes Motorhome Camper Van. For more officially confirmed updates and detailed reviews of the latest automotive launches, make sure to subscribe to Digital Cars Info. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the next big...